Hello, my dear friends, and welcome to the Parascience Academy. In previous lecture, we are discussed our 10th Science and Technology subject, Lesson 1, Chemical Reaction and Equation. Last session, we have discussed about chemical reaction, example of some chemical reaction. Chemical reaction involves some things like change in state, change in color, change in temperature and evolution of gas. In today's section, we discuss about chemical equation. So, we have to write chemical equation. So, what is chemical equation? Why we need to write a chemical equation? Basically, any chemical reaction are written in form of a statement, but every time we cannot afford this to write a full statement of any chemical reaction. If I have a reaction statement like magnesium react with oxygen and it gives magnesium dioxide, it is a full statement, but every time I cannot afford or I cannot manage to write a full statement. So, for easy to eat, I have to write this statement in form of symbol, in form of chemical formula, or in form of some special conditions and with physical state. This is known as a chemical equation. Firstly, we have to define what is chemical reaction. A chemical reaction can be represented. A chemical reaction can be represented in form of chemical equation. Now, a chemical equation involve it involve use of symbol of element or use of symbol of element or chemical formula of a reactant and product or chemical formula of reactant and product and also a mention with physical state and also mention their physical state. So in chemical equation we have to discuss about the chemical reaction. It is represented in form of chemical equation which involve use of symbol of elements or chemical formulas of a reactant and product. You are familiar with reactant, what is reactant, what is product. If you don't know, refer our previous videos, you can easily get that what is reactant and what is product. And also mention their physical state. You can also know what is a physical state, but there is a simplest. Sometimes you can observe some chemical reaction have a some special type of condition. So on a chemical reaction, the necessary condition of reaction necessary condition of chemical reaction such as like temperature, pressure, catalyst, etc. are should be written on a etc. should be written on a arrow between arrow between reactant and product. Here this is said that reactant arrow and product. Here in above the arrow, and arrow is between reactant and product, we can write here some special condition. Or a necessary condition like temperature, pressure, catalyst, etc. etc. So basically this is the general formula of any chemical reaction. Now we are taking an example of a chemical equation. How to write a chemical equation? Let's take a one simple example, and the example is firstly we have to write a statement, and the statement is magnesium is burned in presence of air to form magnesium oxide. Magnesium is burned in the presence of air and form magnesium dioxide or a magnesium oxide. Here is a statement. Now the word equation of this reaction, we have to write a word equation of the above statement. Here magnesium is burned in the presence of air and form magnesium oxide. First we have to identify what is reactant in this statement and what is product of the reaction. In here magnesium and air is reactant, but magnesium oxide is product. So we have to written in the form of word reaction. So we have to firstly write magnesium plus air contain O2, so we have to write O2 gives magnesium oxide. This is the word reaction, but in chemical reaction we have to use a symbol of element or a chemical formula of any chemical, and we get this with its physical state. Now in form of chemical reaction, the symbol of magnesium is Mg. It is in presence of a solid state, so we have to write here as a S. S is state that it is in solid form. Oxygen, it is in form of gas. It gives magnesium oxide yani MgO, and it is in form of solid. So here we have discussed what is chemical equation, why we need to write a statement in form of equation, and example of one chemical equation. Thank you.